Hello guys, I'm Sal and we're here today at Bob's Containers. Today we'll be talking about forklift pocket holes. I just want to talk about a few things when we do deal with the forklift pocket holes. One, we never run our plumbing through there, so we try to avoid the forklift pocket holes as much as we can. So you can still use the forklift pocket holes to move the 40-footer, move a 20-footer, or however you want to move it. So as you see here, we avoided the forklift pocket holes. Plumbing comes out in between both forklift pocket holes, avoiding the forklift pocket holes so you can be able to move once your container lands. Once your container lands, you want to get a forklift and go ahead and slide in your forks through the forklift pocket hole and try to move it. Once these are truly fully furnished, they're really hard to move if it's a 40-footer. Now a 20-foot home, office, or so on, you can move those really easily. Those you can slide in your forks as well and then move it around. And as you guys see here at Bob's Containers, we add a special type of sheet in the bottom so we protect our plumbing. So in case you can't go through the forklift pocket holes or you go anywhere else, we have a metal sheet underneath protecting the plumbing. That way it doesn't get punctured, broken. PVC is so fragile when it comes to hitting it, so we try to protect it as much as possible just in case your fork does slide through there. It won't catch the plumbing and you won't have to raise it up again to replace any plumbing parts.